today Steve will be demonstrating Kapalbhati for us. So Kapalbhati, the technique is to pump the tummy, but we exaggerate or force the exhalation through the nose, and the inhalation is passive. So if you can see Steve, he's pumping his tummy to push the breath outside of the body through the nose, and then he immediately relaxes the muscles in the tummy to allow the breath back into the body. So he's not consciously drawing the breath back in or breathing in, he's relaxing. So one of the benefits of this is that we'll dramatically increase core strength. And in terms of the subtle body, it's firing up Agni, which helps us to burn off impurities. So there'll be emotional impurities as well as physical impurities, so patterns of behaviour and stuff like this. So Steve is aiming the contraction below the navel. He doesn't want to affect the diaphragm, and definitely not into the chest, and definitely not above the top of the neck, so we don't cause any intracranial pressure.